Did you know a sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour? Wowza, that's faster than a cheetah. But let's talk about something way more important. Who sneezes cuter, girls or cats? Get ready to giggle because we're about to find out. In one corner, we have girls. They sneeze with a little achoo that's super cute. And in the other corner, we have cats. Their sneezes are like tiny explosions of fur and noise. Who will win this epic sneeze-off? Let's break it down. Okay, story time. One time I sneezed so hard my wig almost flew off. It was during a commercial break, thank goodness. I thought my head was going to explode. Sneezing can be dramatic. Am I right? Girls try to sneeze quietly, it's adorable. They scrunch up their noses and cover their mouths. Polite much? Cats? Not so much, they let it rip. Their whole bodies shake and it's hilarious. Section 5, Sneezing Superstars, the showdown. Imagine this, a girl in a cute outfit sneezes, it's like a gentle breeze. Now imagine a cat perched on a shelf. Suddenly, achoo, it's a Fernado, too funny. Section 6, Who Wore It Better, the Sneeze Edition. Girls win the most polite sneezer award. They're like, excuse me, I have allergies. But cats, they're the sneeze kings and queens. They're not afraid to let it all out. Section 7, the verdict. It's your call. So who wins the ultimate sneeze-off? It's up to you. Do you love a cute and dainty sneeze, team girl? Or do you prefer a sneeze that's loud and proud? Team cat. Section 8, Spread the Sneeze. This is serious business, people. Tell me in the comments who you think sneezes cuter, girls or cats. And don't forget to share this with your friends. Let's see who they vote for. Section 9, Join the Sneeze Sensation. If you laughed, or sneezed, while reading this, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe for more hilarious animal showdowns. Next up, puppies versus kittens, the cutest nap battle ever.